For all you guys that cannot get enough of the Ford Ranger, well, I'm back with another mod. That's right. You guys know I've changed out the bulbs, made a couple videos on that. Awesome, you know, big time improvement. But if you want the best of the best, it's time to change the full lamp out. That's right, let's go LED. And I reached out to Oksiwa, that's O-K-S-I-W-A. They've got these killer custom tinted LED auto lamp. That's right. Let's get these suckers installed, show y'all what a big time difference this is gonna be. First, I'll show you what we've got in the box. Got really good detailed instructions with detailed pictures. I like it. Tells you a lot of stuff about what we're gonna be installing. So let's take a look at what we've got here. Oh yeah. To remove this factory tail light, you've got 2 Phillips head screws on the outside edge and 2 inside. What we're gonna do is twist and pull these bulbs out just like this. Now on this one, this housing kind of gets in the way, so you can't just twist this. You have to disconnect the connector. See it hitting that? So for you guys, let's see, I'll do it this way. You have to disconnect the connector first, then undo the light, set the housing out of the way. Now we can plug this back in just like that. Now we're going to remove my previous LED bulbs. I really like this and I love the quality. You can see here they got the little vent there in case there's moisture gets in it. Helps keep them dry inside, and the connectors with the shrink wrap, everything. This is so cool, guys. So cool. You want to make your connections from the wires of the new LEDs, plug them right into where the bulbs would go on your factory harness right there. Check it out already. Sweet. All right. So now what we're going to do is take these housings, push all this wire back up inside here, and twist the housing onto the new tail lamp. All right, let's tackle the passenger side. Guys, this is not a hard install at all. I normally pull out like a cushiony towel or something like that so I can lay the light down face first and work on the back for the electrical connections, because you definitely don't want to lay the face down on that or metal, anything like that. So there's 4 bolts or screws, however you want to call them. 4 bolts or screws that hold each tail light in, and 2 bulbs or 2 connections. That's it. So you just swap them out. It's a direct plug and play. There's nothing hard about this. for a few minutes of your time, you can definitely improve the safety and lighting of your truck, and very much so the looks. Awesome, guys. Highly recommend. Links below, you can find it on Amazon. What you want to do is push that directly into where the bulb would go. I'll show you on this one. Just like that, you'll hear it click. Okay. So now you can see I turned our parking lights on so it'll verify and show everybody. So cool. Okay, so what I've got to do now is flip this around, feed these wires back up in here, and twist and connect this. So that's gonna do it for the video, guys. If you want to improve your lighting on your Ford Ranger, I would advise you to check out the links I've provided below. Click on those links. They're to Amazon. Order these right up, switch them out. Hey, big time difference. So like I said, links below. I'll catch you on the next video. Later now.